The school gym buzzed with excitement as the annual kids cooking competition kicked off, with colorful banners and the delicious aroma of snacks wafting in the air. The students, armed with mixing bowls and spatulas, looked ready to unleash their culinary creativity, but a few had more confidence than skill. As the timer started ticking, one team decided to make mystery mush, a dish that combined everything they could find in their pantry. Meanwhile, another team was attempting to bake a cake that they confidently claimed would be the tallest in the world, despite their lack of experience. As flour clouds filled the air, one girl accidentally sneezed, sending a white mist over her team, transforming them into flour ghosts. Just then, the judges, Mr. Baker, the grumpy science teacher, and Ms. Sweet, the cheerful art teacher, walked in, ready to taste the creations and bring laughter to the chaos.